This video will demonstrate how to install our 3-phase on-grid inverter. Preparation before installation. Please read the directions before installation and make sure all of the accessories are present in the box. Leaving more than 300 mm of space around the inverter and at least 500 mm below. Inverter installation. First, install the inverter bracket. Use a Lambo ruler to guarantee balance. After selecting where to attach the inverter bracket, use a marking pen to identify the punching points. Use a 10 mm drill bit at the marked points, approximately 60 mm deep. Place the attached plastic anchors into the 3 punched openings. Use expansion screws to fasten the bracket to the wall. Tighten the expansion screws with a screwdriver. The installation of the inverter bracket is complete. Hook up inverter. Hang the inverter from the inverter bracket. Fasten the screws from both sides. Ground wire connection. Connect the ground wire to the inverter with screws and fasten the screws. Ground wire connection is finished. DC connection. Positive cable making. Negative cable making. Ensures that the input voltage of each string is lower than 1100 volts. Positive and negative terminals are connected correctly. Connect the DC connector to the inverter's DC terminal on the bottom. The DC connector clicks when it is plugged in. AC connection. Confirm the AC terminal is powered off. Tighten the AC terminals after connecting. AC connection is finished. Communication connection. Tighten the date logger to the COM at the bottom of the inverter. Powering on and commissioning. Please double-check that all connections are correctly connected, and gently tug on the cables to ensure that they are tightly linked. First, turn on the AC circuit breaker, then turn on the DC switch. Please refer to the product menu. For future assistance, please contact AUXSOL after-sales team or authorized service partner.